Welcome to today's guide on how to view shared music in a chat on Telegram web using your PC. With Telegram's latest update, accessing music files has become more convenient than ever. Follow these simple steps to locate and enjoy shared music effortlessly. First, open Telegram web on your browser. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to view shared music. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Next, click on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. This will open the contact or group information panel. Here you'll find various options related to the chat, including media and file categories. Now, look for the section labeled Music. Click on it to enter the dedicated space where all shared audio files are stored. Telegram organizes these files neatly, allowing you to browse through them with ease. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar within this section to locate specific tracks. Once you've found the music files you're interested in, you can play them directly within Telegram web or download them to your device for offline listening. This feature is perfect for revisiting songs shared by friends or discovering tracks posted in groups. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can access all shared music files in any Telegram web chat. Whether you're catching up on group playlists or rediscovering songs from past conversations, this method makes it simple and efficient. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more tips and tricks for optimizing your Telegram experience.